Welcome, travel enthusiasts, to a journey through the breathtaking landscapes of Azerbaijan. A country so diverse it's like an artist's palette splashed with the most vibrant colors of nature. As we traverse this land, we'll encounter snow-capped peaks that reach for the heavens, golden beaches that kiss the Caspian Sea, lush forests that are a testament to nature's bounty, and stark deserts that echo with tales of time. Azerbaijan, often referred to as the Land of Fire, is a place where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern landscapes, creating a rich tapestry that is as diverse as it is beautiful. Each corner of this fascinating country holds a unique story, waiting to be discovered and shared. So, pack your virtual bags, strap in your sense of adventure, and tighten your seatbelts. We're about to embark on an unforgettable exploration of some of the most stunning vistas Azerbaijan has to offer. Prepare to embark on an adventure through Azerbaijan's most stunning vistas. First stop, the awe-inspiring Caucasus Mountains. An emblem of unspoiled beauty, this mountain range stands as a sentinel between the Black and Caspian Seas. It's a world where the air is crisp, the views are breathtaking, and the sense of adventure runs as deep as the valleys. Imagine towering peaks piercing the sky, their crowns draped in pristine snow, shimmering under the sun's touch. These peaks are not just magnificent to behold, but they're also a thrilling challenge for mountaineers, a test of endurance, and a testament to the human spirit's resilience. As we descend from these icy heights, the Caucasus reveals a different facet of its beauty. Here, in the verdant valleys, life flourishes. These emerald green expanses are a paradise for nature lovers, a symphony of colors and textures that changes with the seasons. Spring breathes life into wildflowers, carpeting the valleys in a riot of hues. Come autumn, the leaves turn gold and crimson, painting a picturesque landscape that could inspire poets and artists alike. But the Caucasus isn't just about the landscape. It's a thriving ecosystem, a haven for diverse wildlife. From the elusive Caucasian leopard to the majestic bezoar goat, these mountains provide a sanctuary for species that have vanished elsewhere. It's a place where you can witness the delicate balance of nature, the eternal dance of predator and prey, the intricate web of life. As we journey through this region, we find remnants of ancient civilizations, timeless villages where traditions are preserved, and people whose lives are intertwined with the mountains. They are the guardians of this land, the custodians of its stories. They welcome travelers with open arms, their hospitality as warm as the mountain sun. As we leave the Caucasus behind, we carry with us memories imprinted on our hearts, of towering peaks and verdant valleys, of thundering rivers and tranquil lakes, of encounters with wildlife and bonds forged with locals. The Caucasus is more than a destination. It's an experience, a journey into the heart of nature, a trek into the soul of the earth. The Caucasus Mountains, a testament to the power and beauty of nature. Scene script. Next, we venture into the mesmerizing Gobustan National Park. Tucked away in the eastern folds of Azerbaijan is a geological and archaeological wonder that defies the ordinary. Welcome to Gobustan National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that marries the beauty of nature with the rich tapestry of human history. Carved into the rugged landscape, Gobustan is a testament to the creative spirit of our ancestors. The park's most famous inhabitants aren't animals or plants, but rather, over 6,000 rock carvings etched into the stone by prehistoric artists. These ancient petroglyphs, some dating back 20,000 years, provide a fascinating glimpse into the lives and minds of our distant forebears. From depictions of hunting parties to dances and rituals, these primitive yet eloquent drawings tell an intriguing tale of human evolution. But Gobustan isn't just about history. It's also a geographical marvel, home to nearly half of the world's mud volcanoes. These aren't your typical volcanoes, though. Rather than spewing lava, these bubbling mounds of earth ooze a cool, mineral-rich mud. It's a surreal sight, as if you've landed on another planet. The park's landscape is an intriguing mix of arid deserts, green valleys, and rocky plateaus. Each twist and turn of the terrain reveals a new aspect of Gobustan's charm. The wind-carved rocks stand as natural sculptures, their unique formations a testament to the slow yet relentless power of nature. What's more, Gobustan is a haven for biodiversity. Despite its harsh conditions, it hosts a wide range of plant and animal species, each adapted to thrive in this unique environment. From the nimble mountain goats navigating the rocky cliffs to the resilient desert plants dotting the arid ground, Gobustan is a vibrant testament to life's tenacity. So whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply a traveler seeking the road less traveled, Gobustan National Park offers an enchanting journey into the heart of Azerbaijan's natural and historical splendor. Gobustan National Park, a magical blend of nature and history. Now let's unwind along the tranquil beaches of the Caspian Sea. The serene beauty of Azerbaijan's Caspian Sea coastlines is a sight to behold. With golden sands that stretch as far as the eye can see, kissed by the gentle waves of crystal-clear waters, it's a paradise that promises peace and tranquility. Imagine yourself strolling along the shoreline, feeling the cool sea breeze lightly brush against your skin, the rhythmic lullaby of the waves crashing against the shore, the faint taste of salt in the air, the warmth of the sun overhead, a symphony of sensations that makes you feel one with nature. The Caspian Sea, the world's largest inland body of water, boasts a diverse ecosystem. It's a sanctuary for several species of fish, birds, and marine creatures, each contributing to the rich tapestry of life that thrives here. Yet, the beaches remain untouched, preserving their pristine beauty. The allure of the Caspian Sea beaches extends beyond just their scenic beauty. They are also steeped in history and culture. The Caspian Sea has been a crossroads for civilizations throughout the ages, each leaving their indelible mark on its shores. It's a place where stories of the past meet the whispers of the present, creating a timeless allure. As the day fades away, the golden sands take on an ethereal glow, bathed in the hues of the setting sun. It's a spectacle that never fails to awe, a testament to the untouched beauty of these shores. The tranquility that descends with the night is a balm to the soul, a gentle reminder of the simple joys of life. Whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or a seeker of serenity, the beaches of the Caspian Sea have something to offer everyone. It's a haven that invites you to relax, to explore, to simply be. The Caspian Sea beaches, a haven of peace and tranquility. It's here that you can truly escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, and find a moment of peace amidst the serene beauty of nature. Our journey concludes in the vibrant Goygol National Park. Let's take a moment to immerse ourselves in the breathtaking visual symphony of the Goygol National Park. This natural wonderland, nestled in the foothills of the Murovdağ mountain range, is a riot of colors, a testament to the diverse and thriving flora that calls this place home. Imagine a canvas where nature has dipped its brush in the most vivid hues. You'd see the warm yellows of the wildflowers dancing with the wind, the rich greens of dense forests that cloak the mountains, the fiery reds of leaves that signal the arrival of autumn, and the soft whites of snow that crown the mountain tops in winter. This is the vibrant palette of Goygol National Park. But the crowning jewel of this kaleidoscope is undoubtedly the Goygol Lake. This enchanting body of water born out of a devastating earthquake centuries ago now mirrors the sky's azure expanse by day and the star-studded tapestry by night. The lake's iridescent surface, reflecting the changing seasons and moods of the sky, adds an ever-changing dynamic to the park's vibrant display. Walk a little further, and you might chance upon a deer grazing in the meadows, its coat a dappled mix of brown and white. Or perhaps you'll spot a bird of prey soaring high above, its wings catching the sunlight in a brilliant flash of gold. These are but a few of the park's many inhabitants, each adding their own unique color to this vibrant tableau. This is a place where the cycle of life unfolds in a myriad of colors, where every season brings a new shade to the landscape, where every creature contributes to the park's vibrant spectrum. It's a testament to nature's artistry, a spectacle that leaves you in awe of the world's beauty. So take a moment to soak it all in. Let the colors of the Goygol National Park wash over you. Let them inspire you. Let them remind you of the world's endless wonders. Goygol National Park, a place where nature paints its most beautiful masterpiece. Azerbaijan, a country of diverse and breathtaking landscapes. We've journeyed through the majestic Caucasus Mountains, marveled at the enchanting Gobustan National Park, relaxed on the serene beaches of the Caspian Sea, and reveled in the vibrant colors of the Goygol National Park. Each destination a testament to the country's rich tapestry of natural beauty. But don't just take our word for it. Azerbaijan's scenic allure is something to be experienced firsthand. The mountains beckon for you to scale their heights, the national parks urge you to delve into their mysteries, the beaches invite you to bask in their tranquility, and the vibrant landscapes of Goygol are awaiting your discovery. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and embark on your own Azerbaijani adventure. And as you do, share your journey with us. We're eager to hear about your experiences. We hope you enjoyed this scenic tour of Azerbaijan. Which part of the world should we explore next? Please leave your suggestions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep exploring.